Hello guys. Welcome again. I took this trade last week on the Euro-Australian dollar pair. In this video, I'll show you how I turned a $75 account into $1,000. As you can see, the most recent swing high liquidity has been swept away, and the price has instantly returned to its trading range. Following the liquidity sweep, this became our first supply zone area. Here in the supply zone, the price has almost been rejected twice, and has dropped with a large imbalance candles. This is another recent supply zone. Now, I'll wait for the change of character in a shorter time frame. If it breaks the lower low, I'll start taking positions from this area. So let's see what happens next. As shown here, price broke the lower low, resulting in a change of character, and a new supply zone. This is why I set all of my sell limit orders from this supply area, and also placed all of my stop loss above the supply zone's top. Here are all of my pending limit orders. Let's see what happens.
A few moments later.
Nice.
Guys, as you can see, price filled all of my limit orders, and met the first profit target area. So, I closed all of my open positions and booked my profits. So guys, I took another trade on the Euro-US dollar pair. As you can see here, the price is already moving down. This is the supply zone on the 1-hour chart, and the price has dropped significantly by a massive imbalance. Then, price filled the imbalance or fair value gap, and reached our supply zone. On the 5-minute chart, you can see that price broke the lower low and caused a change of character. This change of character was also caused by large imbalanced candles. After breaking the lower low, here, we have a lower time frame supply zone. As a result, I set all of my pending sell orders from this imbalance area. Guys, I usually do my analysis on the naked chart. Naked chart analysis involves interpreting price movements without indicators, focusing solely on patterns, supply and demand, and volume for trading decisions. Naked chart analysis relies on price action, reflecting market sentiment directly, while indicators can lag or provide conflicting signals. This is the reason why I usually avoid using indicators in my trading. And, I set all of my stop loss above the supply zone's top. This is the first profit target area or demand zone. This is the second profit target area. And, price can move from any of these levels. Here are all of my limit orders that have not yet been filled. Let's see what happens next.
The next day.
Guys, if you appreciate this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You may also join our free Telegram channel to get daily ideas. My broker link is in the description. Sign up and receive a $30 welcome bonus.
Nice.